All right, everybody, here we are. Tuesday, November 6th, 2018, midterm election day. I got some stuff I want to talk about. As usual, I don't know where to start. I just kind of sit here and it just kind of comes out of my mouth. Let's start off with the basics. Another rally on Wall Street today. So yesterday rally, today rally. We'll see what happens tomorrow. There's a little fly in the ointment here. I want to talk about that. You probably know what it is already. Some of you. All right, so again, stocks did finish higher. No surprise. I outlined this all for you already on Sunday, how this week would more than likely play out. Seems to be going exactly like I said it would. So again, no real shocker. I also outlined for all of you the 3 scenarios that we have to look out for in this market. I talked about this earlier in my freak show video. Because that's what this is. It's a freak show. Plain and simple. So again, before I get distracted, stocks finished higher. Now, going back to what I was saying with this fly in the ointment here, 10-year yield, although earlier it was lower, did creep up a little bit, 3.22 on the 10-year. However, dollar got weaker. So right here again in action is that compensatory mechanism that I tell you all the time exists in this market. So we're still okay for now, all right? No lines in the sand here with regard to the 10-year yield. It's all about, well, not all about, but it's in large part about what the dollar does, okay? Now, I want to talk about that a little further too, why we had a little dollar weakness here. It comes down to geopolitical events. But before I get there, even though the dollar got weaker today, I'm going to give you 2 guesses of what 2 assets, well, really the paper ones, took losses today. Well, one would be paper gold, and the other one would be paper silver. Now, I know how shocked you are, but you must be aghast at hearing that. I mean, you know, this is part of the rigged market. You all know that. So let's talk about why the dollar got a little weaker here. No secret, you know, all the rhetoric, all the tough talk, saber rattling, you want to, whatever it is, with the Trump administration against Iran. Well, you know, Iran just got a whole bunch of waivers from the Trump administration saying, you know, it's okay for you to sell oil to X, and X, despite our sanctions. Well, it's kind of funny because Iran comes back with a big freaking smile on their face. This is the truth. Saying, well, we were going to sell our oil anyway, regardless of anything else. So that's a reason why the dollar came down. Some geopolitical tension, it looks like, got relieved. You know, all the tough talk, it's just garbage. You all know that. And there's so much more crap that's going on. It should be obvious to you, and I'm more than certain that you are aware of that. So I guess that can be considered part of the freak show that's going on here. It's laughable. Now let's talk about more laughable things that are about to come out. Are you ready for this? Are you freaking ready for this? Okay. Tomorrow morning is going to be beautiful and lovely too at the same time. And do you know why? Here's why. Now we're going to get the blame game. I mean, this is, you know, should be obvious. So tomorrow, however this freak show plays out tomorrow, 'cause it's an ongoing thing, this party is going to blame this party. This person is going to blame this person. I mean, it's insane. These are the individuals or parties or whatever comedy acts or something along those lines that are running our country. So wait for this. Wait for the blame game. I can't wait for it myself. I'm telling you, I'm going to grab some popcorn and I'm going to sit there and laugh at every one of these imbeciles. That's what I'm going to do. All of them. I guarantee you, unless there is a sweep here with regard to the House and the Senate. Either way, our president is going to start blaming. Pop, 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 pop. Then pop, 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 pop. And then there's going to be blame from this person, blaming that person. And, you know, it's all distractions, people. It's all just not freaking real. And I'm telling you right now, they're probably in some back room thinking about how they're going to play it. There's no doubt about it. I guarantee you that's what's going on. It's just a show. All of this is a freaking show for everyone. And people think it's real. People believe that, oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely. These people, they have our best interest in mind. Oh, that's the way it's always been since time immemorial. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Anyway, so look, before I go crazy on this, that's where we're at, people, and it's going to be interesting to watch this whole thing play out. It really is. I'm really just so excited about it, and so should you be. Now, I'll see all of you in the morning. This is just going to be, tomorrow is going to be so freaking awesome. I'm telling you right now. I don't care about the markets. I don't care about anything. I'm going to watch the freak show and the fallout and the blame game, because that's what's coming. And I mean, it's going to be huge. All right. See you tomorrow morning.